GPT-5.5 dropped today, and buried inside the announcement was a phrase that should stop every builder in their tracks. OpenAI didn't call it a smarter chatbot or a better assistant. They called it a new way to get computer work done. That single sentence contains more strategic weight than most people will bother to unpack. For 4 decades, using a computer meant learning the machine's language, file hierarchies, SQL queries, drop-down menus, keyboard shortcuts. Humans bent themselves to fit silicon logic. That was the unspoken contract of the digital age. What we're witnessing now is the quiet, irreversible tearing up of that contract, and most people are too focused on the new features to notice the structural shift underneath. There was a window, maybe 18 months long, where shipping agentic capability felt like a competitive advantage. That window is closing fast. Models built to use tools autonomously, verify their own outputs, and carry tasks through to completion aren't a bonus tier anymore. They're the baseline expectation. Any system being architected today that doesn't assume agents will be calling it is already behind the curve, not just philosophically, but practically. Here's the uncomfortable truth for product teams. The UX layer you spent 6 months perfecting may now be the least defensible part of your entire product. When an AI model can understand a goal and pursue it directly, it doesn't need your onboarding flow, your tooltips, or your carefully A/B tested button placements. The friction you engineered around doesn't disappear, it just becomes irrelevant, and with it, any moat you thought you'd built around the user experience. When a model can check its own work, a dangerous illusion emerges, the illusion that quality is handled. But self-verification is only as trustworthy as your evaluation framework, and most teams are nowhere near equipped to measure that accurately. The builders who will win the next phase aren't necessarily those shipping the fastest. They're the ones who deeply understand the failure modes of autonomous self-assessment and have built robust eval pipelines to catch what the model misses about itself. What makes this moment genuinely fascinating rather than just technically impressive is the pace mismatch. The productivity surface area of software, meaning what software can do, for whom, without human facilitation, is expanding faster than any organization's ability to adapt its workflows, its hiring, its governance, or its mental models. We've seen technology outpace adoption before, but rarely with this combination of speed, breadth, and structural depth. The dividing line between builders who thrive and those who get disrupted won't be technical skill in the traditional sense. It will be a conceptual one. Whether you genuinely understand what computer work means when the computer is doing it autonomously. Those who internalize this will design systems, incentives, and products for a world where the human isn't the primary operator. Those who don't will keep polishing interfaces for users who have already moved on. The most valuable thing any builder can do right now isn't to ship faster or learn the latest API. It's to sit with a genuinely hard question. In a world where autonomous agents handle the execution layer, what is the enduring value of what you're creating? The products that last through this transition will be those built around durable human needs, judgment, trust, creativity, accountability. Not around the interface patterns that made sense before the deal between humans and computers changed forever.